This is Meital here. Welcome to 882 Acapulco, our newest listing. I can't wait to show you around. The amazing floor plan is so great because the kitchen opens to the living room and you have a bedroom on the same level. The cozy living room has absolutely great natural light and beautiful ocean views. The spacious deck have absolutely gorgeous ocean and Catalina views. Can you imagine sitting here drinking morning coffee? The spacious master bedroom is so relaxing and it has a great size deck. Thank you for taking the tour with me here at 882 Acapulco. Please call us for more information.